Have you ever wondered why your car insurance went up even though your driving didn't change? Hi, I'm Jeff Williams, owner of Armor Insurance Agency in Miles City, Montana. Your driving record is important, but it's only one part of how your insurance price is calculated. Auto insurance is based on a wider risk model that includes your vehicle, your location, and overall claim trends. For example, the type of car you drive matters more today than it used to. Modern vehicles have cameras, sensors, radar systems, and safety technology built into almost every panel. Even a low-speed accident can turn into a complex repair involving recalibration and expensive parts. Where you live also affects your rate. If claim activity increases in your area, things like accidents, weather damage, or wildlife collisions, insurance companies adjust pricing across that region. And beyond your local area, insurance companies are also responding to national trends. When repair costs and claim severity rise across the system, those costs are shared across all drivers in that risk pool. That includes safe drivers too. On top of that, your personal policy can still change based on things like a ticket, an accident, adding a vehicle or driver, changes in your zip code, or even loss of discounts. That's why two people with similar driving records can still pay very different prices. Insurance pricing reflects your individual risk, but also the environment around that risk. If your car insurance went up and you're not sure why, let's take a look together. Call Armor Insurance Agency at 406 416 1096.